How to use a promo code at Bath and Body Works. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this extremely educational and enlightening video presentation, we'll provide a comprehensive demonstration and a detailed explanation of the step-by-step process for successfully implementing a particular technique in order to attain a distinct and precise result. What you have to do is simply open your preferred browser, and then after in the search bar type vouchercodesuae.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Then after you land in this interface where you can see the option of search stores in the top, simply go over there and type for Bath and Body Works. You'll get this option like this. Click on it. Here you can see numerous and several working promo codes or coupon over here. You can simply go and click to copy the code. Go over here and copy this code. Now what you have to do is proceed to the Bath and Body Works website, which is bathandbodyworks.com. Then you will land into their official interface. Add your desired items to the shopping cart. For instance, I'm going to add this vanilla coconut into my bag. Select add to bag option, and then after view bag and checkout. Upon reaching the order summary page, locate the promo code section. Here you can see the promotional code option. Only one code can be applied per order. Now here, simply paste the promo code you copied earlier and click on apply. And your promo code will be successfully applied. So this is really easy and a quick method to use a promo code at Bath and Body Works. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.